Hola amigas! Before we jump into the video, I wanted to talk a little bit more of today's sponsors of this video, which is Ana Luisa Jewlery. If you guys have never heard of Ana Luisa, they are basically a jewelry company based out of New York, which they are a carbon neutral company, creating these amazing pieces out of 100% recycled materials, anywhere from gold to silver sterling jewelry, which are amazing. They were kind enough to send me some pieces to show to you guys, and let me just tell you, I fell in love from when I seen them. First thing that caught my eye was their history, their story behind everything. It is high quality, it is long lasting, it's not going to turn green on you, and I don't know, it just, these pieces are super minimalistic, and lately that's just kind of the vibe that I've been going with. And you know what, I just have to go ahead and show you. I am actually wearing one of the pieces now that they gifted me, which are these earrings right here named Sparkle. They are $67.50 on their website. They are super cute, minimalistic. They have like this little chain that drops down like this. It's very, very cute. I feel like these pieces all go together. Now, for you to save some money, check out the link down in my description box, and there is a discount code. Make sure you guys use that discount code for 10% off your purchase. And for the next item, it is this ring called Laurel. It is this dual ball ring featuring 2 high polished gold balls and an open band that will give your ring game a fresh new look. And did I mention to you guys that these products are 100% handcrafted? It is amazing already what this company is doing, and this just throws it off the market literally. And lastly, going in with the last piece, it is the Ona necklace, which I actually think it is my favorite out of all of these beautiful pieces, just because it's something that I like to wear. Necklaces are more of a my thing, I would say, and in this case it is a circular pendant, as you guys notice, and it's also dotted with a cubic zirconia, and it's a delicate necklace, also recycled, handcrafted sterling silver dipped in a 14K gold. So I feel like I can literally wear that necklace every single day just to complete any look and make it amazing. If you guys have any other questions or want to get any more info on this jewelry, it is all left down below, their website and of course the discount code. So make sure you guys take advantage of it, and let me know what you guys think down in the comments below. Now let's go ahead and get into our video. Hi everyone, welcome back to another one of my videos. For those that don't know me, my name is Beverly, and for those of you guys returning, thank you guys so much for coming back today and hanging out with me. As you guys already saw by the title of the video, today we're going on a pumpkin patch trip with my family, which is just semi-family. We're going with my 2 nephews, my cousin, and my sister, and we're just gonna go hang out and see some pumpkins and do other stuff, like whatever else you do at a pumpkin patch. I've never been, so I'm excited. And also to go get some good pictures for my Instagram. So if by the time my video is posted, you guys should have already had seen the pictures that I've done. And yeah, it is Monday today, and normally on Mondays it's just a Monday where we're trying to like catch up on sleep. We are just not trying to do anything. But today, on the other hand, we said, why not? So let's go on a pumpkin patch trip. So that is what we're doing. Fun fact right now, I lost my freaking hair straightener. My cousin gave it back to me. I cannot find it. I don't even know where I left it, so I don't even know if I'll be able to do my hair because I just normally straighten it. I took a shower yesterday, so my hair is a little tangled all over the place, but that is all I am waiting on to do. I still don't know what I'm gonna wear today, so I definitely will show you. But as you guys already saw at the beginning, I am wearing my Ana Luisa jewelry, my pieces today with my outfit, so I'll get some good pictures with all that. I'm super excited, you guys, to finally get ready. It's been a while, honestly, since I've been on here to talk to you guys and fill you guys in on where I've been. It's just been a hectic month. I have no excuses, but I'm back, so I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog, and I will catch you guys once we are either on our way or at the pumpkin patch. Alright you guys, so we're actually on our way to the pumpkin patch. I'm here with my sister Chanel. She picked us up. She picked me and my cousin up, and then here are my 2 nephews. We have Mason and Jason.
What's up?
And
where their names match.
Yeah, their names match. And we had a little dilemma. So Mr. Jason here, the one in the middle, he was crying, right Chanel?
Yeah.
He was crying because he wanted some juice. He was thirsty. Little did we know that my nephew Mason, in his lunch bag, he had a Powerade. So my sister had to stop at a gas station and do all this thing, and guess what he's drinking now? he did not want her juice. He took the Powerade instead, and that's what he's drinking. And I'm just like, are you serious? But we are on our way, and it is our first time except for Jason. Jason here in the middle has been to the pumpkin patch before. Probably at least twice, yeah, last year. And it is our first time, so I'll catch you guys there. We've arrived at the pumpkin patch with the nephews. It is Pumpkin Town Farms, where farm meets city. Here's the entrance. Look at how cool all the pumpkins and everything. And then they have little cars. Look at that chair. I want to take a picture there at the chair. Hi, baby. Say hi. We're gonna have to get a picture there once we go in, of course. Here's the entrance. It's a really nice day outside too. Guys, I came and took a picture finally on this chair. Look how big it is. I'm gonna have my cousin show you guys how big it is with me on here. I like the corn maze. We're gonna be doing the corn maze here in a little bit, so I'm super excited about that. But I think this is really cool because look, it's like a big old rocking chair. Look at my feet.
Foggy, but I've never seen clearer. I don't really think anyone can save me, and honestly I'm not really sure I want saving. I like to be my own worst enemy. There's no risk if you don't try at anything, so I'ma just keep buying everything. See you in the next life, have to be a better me. I don't think that my head's all straight. Gotta flip it and grip it and go and get an x-ray. What's wrong with me? I just feel weight pushing on my chest and it squeezes till I suffocate. Better change my mindset, meditate. It's pretty cool that I'm alive and have better days. I could walk, see, hear, I should celebrate. Think I could change my mind, maybe elevate. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. Kinda stuck between a rock and a hard place. Do I work hard or live at my pace? You're only young once, yeah that's all great, but I also want a future where I'm okay. Living life is doing lots of cocaine. Wait no, it's living with no shame. Wait no, it's sleeping in on Sundays. I guess it's different for each of us and that's okay. Well I just wanna be happy, how to get there? Glad that you asked me. I think it's different for everyone. Some of us need work, others need fun. Some of us need purpose to overcome, but try to do what you love when it's said and done. Cause there's so many differences in each of us. Trust your gut, it can show you what you want. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days.
We're having a blast. Jason, turn around, puppy. Jason. They're having a blast, and what can I say? So am I. Put it down. Put it down. And I think I could say I'm having more fun than they are. Look, they're just quietly sitting there. Jason. Jason.
My dad.
Oh, here we are. We're going over the thing. It's actually pretty fun, I'm not gonna lie. I just came on here to accompany them to make sure they're behaving and not doing anything crazy. Look how cute all of this is. Look at the pumpkin patch. I love it. It's Winnie the Pooh, Tigger, and Eeyore. So cute. So where are we going now, Chanel? She's over it. She has to take care of these two. Me and my cousin have just been taking some cute pictures around. Look, this is Olaf. We're literally just walking around. We really want to go through the maze, but my sister's not feeling it yet because she's already sweating. That's not the way to the maze. I think the maze entrance is somewhere else. Next to the cow. He just likes to run. He's just happy to be out. It's actually a nice day. Good thing I wore what I wore. I think we're gonna be getting on the wagon next because my nephews, oh my gosh, especially the little one, he is not patient. He likes to be moving around. He's been having this pumpkin in his hand that he will not let go of, that my sister got for him, and he's just being like, he's being too much. He just likes being active out and about. Unless we have him secured somewhere, then he'll be fine. But right now, to tell you the truth, he's inside that little dog house. So yeah, that's him. But check out these cool big old tractor tire swings. And then next we want to get on to that wagon tractor thing as a family to see if we'll make it on. But let's see. I'm scared I'm gonna fall into this. Look, you guys. Oh shoot. I almost fell. Oh my gosh. Let's walk over to where my sister's at. She's over here trying to get onto that little hay stacks. Hi baby. Say hello.
Hi pumpkin baby.
Oh, they do take you through the cornfield.
Mira, mira, cara Chanel. Mira, nos va a tomar. Oh, look picture.
The behind the scenes. He no se deja tomar foto, you guys.
Vamos a ir a comer.
I know, like, when are we gonna go eat? Because we hungry already.
Está aburrido.
How irritated are you from 1 to 10?
11.
Of this one. He would not let go of his pumpkin. Give your pumpkin a kiss. Kiss. He keeps giving his pumpkin kisses.
Here, tell Beverly to help you.
Come
out.
on.
Tell Papa to
I'll help you. I'll help you.
You have to carry him.
Go with Macy. He calls my nephew Macy because he can't say Mason even though his name's Jason. Ready? Ready? Look. Jason, Mason, turn around. Here we are on the second one. We're riding through the cornfield. Are you excited? Jackie! 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 Say hi! I can't. I'm just looking at her face. I'm so dead. Okay, this is, we're in, hey, estamos en Sinaloa. We're in Sinaloa, in the cornfield. We're in Sinaloa. Estamos en la parcela. Sí. Aquí tomándonos fotos enfrente del Pumpkin Town store. ¿Quieres una foto? Okay, let me take a picture of her real quick. Kind of have to do it at an angle because of the way we are. So they're up there getting ready to go into the slide. How the heck do you zoom in? I don't know, guys. I don't know how to zoom in. Oh wow, it's super slow. Alright. Look, here are the other little
sliders. Back up. Say hi to the camera, Mason.
Hi.
And then it's me because I'm not getting on with them. It is too freaking hot. Look at me! Look at baby! Look at the baby! Look at the other baby!
Hershey is hauling some weight now. They're both in the wagon. They're tired and we're tired, and we got on this big old slide up there, up the hill, and we are ready to go home. Well, we are ready to go eat actually, so we're gonna go have a late lunch because we haven't had anything yet. We are both hungry, so we're gonna be going to get some lunch now.
Say cheese. Say cheese.
So we got here to Zio's. We are here eating. We are gonna eat.
Cheese. Bye-bye.
You guys, so we are officially home now. And let me tell you, it was a crazy one. It was hot, but then it was cool at the same time. We played all the games, got on those little rides that you guys saw, and the kids really enjoyed being out in the pumpkin patch. We never do anything for our nephews like that, so we decided why not, let's take them out. Specifically my sister that was watching them. And then we went to go have a late lunch. But unfortunately, my camera died whenever we got there, so I wasn't able to show you guys the food, which I really wanted to because I got this bomb, like chicken pasta. So good. And then my cousin got a calzone, and then my sister had gotten like chicken parm or something. It was really good. But this is it for today's vlog. If you guys are not subscribed, make sure to subscribe down below and hit that post notification bell button to be notified every time I upload a video. And if you guys have any ideas of what future videos I should film, please comment down below. Leave me that in the comments down below. I always check comments and will respond to you guys. I appreciate you guys so much, and I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye.